Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy Dogecoin in Germany. Therefore, we use the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% fees. And what you have to do here is just register on Binance, then deposit some fiat money with bank deposit or credit card. And after the money has arrived, you can start buying Dogecoin in this view. How you do this step by step, I will show you now. At first, you click the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you created your account, you log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into this menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some money, so just do it by clicking here on verify, and after identity verification is done you also have to do address verification by clicking here, and when both things are done you are able to deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, and if the selection is done you can type in this field how much money you want to transfer, for example 500 euros. Also you can see here your limits. When all is fine you can click here on continue, so that you now get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer. So just log in at your online banking and use this information for the transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive, and when the money has arrived you can now click here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. There you can check your current cash balance. In my case it would be 100 euro, but you can also go here at wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you can see all your assets, all your cryptocurrencies and all your fiat money. And when the money has arrived, like you see here, we can now start buying Dogecoin by selecting here the coin we want to buy. In this case we can also search for it, and after Dogecoin is selected you can now type in this field how much money you want to invest in it, and now you just click here on buy Doge. Now you see all the details for the transaction, and if this is fine you just click here on confirm. That's it for the buying process. If you want to sell your Dogecoin, you click here on sell crypto. And if you want to withdraw your euros, you just click here on buy crypto, then on bank deposit. And here you can switch between deposit and withdraw. And if you click here on withdraw, you just give Binance your bank details and then they will send the money back into your bank account. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Give it a like if it is helpful and have a nice day. Bye bye.